Hey everybody, this is Dave from Noizeproxy, and today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of VOXNOIZE, which is an Ableton rack I created to help you process your vocals.
Noizeproxy.
Alright, we're in Ableton, and I have VOXNOIZE on an audio track. Let's take a look. So I have gate, compression, saturation, a doubler effect, megaphone effect, quarter note delay, reverb, and a little extra, which is really just like parallel compression that adds some high-end presence to your vocals and a little bit of air. So I've added a dry vocal on this track, and to keep from infringing on copyrights, and to keep from having to record something myself and embarrassing myself, I grabbed something from a free pack from Cymatics, and it's not really a vocal. It is a vocal. Let's listen to it dry.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Cool. So I'm going to consolidate this, and what you can do is if you have a vocal like this and you want to see kind of what your headroom is, you can go down here and check it after you've consolidated it, and that's pretty good. I like to have enough headroom in my vocal track so that when I start, compressing it and doing other things, saturating and, pushing the limits, that I actually have a little bit of room to do that. Just a suggestion for you as well. So let's turn it on and start tweaking these knobs. So the gate all the way down means the threshold is all the way up. So as you twist the knob, it'll bring the gate down, and you can just loop it and see, get what you want out of it. So now we don't hear anything. I'm just going to start turning until I hear noise.
Break your body into pieces.
Okay.
Break your body into pieces.
Need to be more.
Break your body into pieces. 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 Break your body into pieces.
Okay, cool. That works. Now compression. I'm only adding a little bit to get what I want. The goal is not to boost all these as far as they go.
Break your body into pieces. 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 Break your body into pieces.
Okay, let's add some saturation. And this is just going to add body to it and help it cut through a track. I use saturation anytime I do vocals or even other instruments to get it to really cut through.
Break your back
without just adding volume.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Cool. All right. The doubler effect, which is really just like stereo widening the sound. It's actually a really short ping pong delay.
Break your body into pieces. 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 Break your body into pieces.
Cool. I like 36. There's a megaphone effect. I'm going to turn the doubler down before I do this.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Yeah, so all the way up is just completely wet on the dry wet scale. Let's put the doubler back on and get a delay. This is quarter note delay.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
And a little reverb.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Yeah, that's enough reverb for me. And then a little bit of parallel compression here.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Cool. All right. Let's A/B this and see if you think it sounds good. If we think it sounds good. Here's dry.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Wet.
Break your body into pieces. Break your body into pieces.
Cool. I'm happy with that. You know, you can tweak it longer than however long I did it. But hopefully this gets you started, especially if you're new to, you know, vocal processing. I know in the beginning, I still struggle with it, but I had no idea what was going on. I didn't know what anything did. So at least this, you can just tweak a few knobs and you don't have to think about all the other stuff. So this is free to download on my website, noizeproxy.com. Go up to the left-hand corner or the drop-down menu and choose free stuff. And this is one of the free downloads for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and you know what to do.
Like, comment, subscribe. 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 Like, comment, subscribe.
To get more followers.